Chapter 2, Section 3 of Math 0302 is division of two fractions. To divide two fractions, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. A over B is the first fraction divided by C over D equals to A over B multiplied by the reciprocal of the C over D, which is D over C, of course when B, D, C are non-zero. For example, look at this example. 4 divided by 3, 4 over 3, 4 over 3 divided by 6 over 5 is, we keep the first fraction, which is 4 divided by 3 multiplied by the reciprocal of the second one. The reciprocal of 6 over 5 upside down is 5 over 6. Then we have a multiplication. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 over 18. If we reduce, we get 10 over 9. Example. Divide and simplify. 4 over 3 divided by 6 over 5. We keep the first fraction. We change the division sign to multiplication sign. And we use the reciprocal of the second fraction, the reciprocal of 6 over 5, 5 over 6. As you know, the reciprocal of fraction, the denominator becomes numerator, the numerator becomes the denominator. Then now we do have a multiplication to do. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. If we reduce both 20 and 18 by 2, we get 10 over 9. If you want to write it as a mixed number, it's 1 and 1 9. Another example. 8 over 21 divided by 10 over 7. First fraction is 8 over 21, we keep it. Then we change this division sign to a multiplication sign. And the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now we have to multiply these two fractions. 8 multiplied by 7, 56. 21 times 10 is 210. We need to reduce. As you see, 56 and 21 both are divisible by 7. If I divide this by 7, I get 8. If I divide this by 7, we get 30. And then 8 is even, and 30 is even, so we can reduce one more time. Divide by 2, and divide by 2. The final answer is 4 over 15. So the result of 8 over 20 divided by 8, the result of 8 over 21 divided by 10 over 7 is 4 over 15. Another example, divide and simplify. 8 over 3 divided by 10 over 3. Again, we keep the first fraction. We change the division sign to multiplication sign. And the reciprocal of the second fraction is 3 over 10. We multiply straight across 24 over 30. 24 over 30. 24 and 30 both divisible by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12 over 15. I want to reduce one more time, both divisible by 3. It's 4 over 5. Let's try another one. 16 over 21 divided by 2. 16 over 21, it's a fraction. I make 2 to be look like a fraction by putting it over 1. First fraction is 16 over 21. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and the reciprocal of 2 over 1 is 1 over 2. Multiplication straight across. 16 divided by 21 times 2 is 42. If we reduce this by 2, and this one, if we reduce both of these numbers by 2, we get 8 over 20